Hey guys, today I'm gonna help my mom translate this video in English. Today you're gonna learn how to make this headband with an interlacing technique. You are going to need to use this number 4 yarn. You can find this yarn at our store, www.KarenValladaresCrochet.com. You are also going to need to use a crochet hook with the size of 4 millimeters. You're gonna start by making 80 chains. Now you're gonna make another chain. Then make a single crochet from the second chain from hook. Now you're gonna make a single crochet in all of the chains until you get all the way across. Okay, now we finished the whole thing. So then you make one more chain. Then you turn your work, make a single crochet back loop only until you get all the way across the other side. What that means is that you're gonna make one single crochet back loop only on each stitch. Now that we've finished the second row, we're gonna do the third row. So make one chain, turn your work, and make a single crochet back loop only on each one until you get all the way across. Basically, you're just gonna repeat row number 2. That's it. Now we finished the third row. We're gonna move on to the fourth row, and you're just gonna repeat the same thing you did on the third row. For the fifth one, we do one chain, then turn your work, do 12 single crochet back loop stitch only, but only 12. Keep that in mind. Now we're gonna do 6 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we're gonna skip 5 stitches. 5. And on the 6th one, we're gonna do 12 more single crochet back loop stitch only. Now that you know what you're supposed to do, we're gonna repeat it 4 times. You know, the 6 chains, skip 5 stitches, and on the 6th stitch, you do 12 single crochet back loop only. That's it. And for the next row, we're gonna make a chain, turn your work, and do single crochet back loop only on each stitch, including the chains. Okay, as you can see, we look at the chains we did, the 6 chains, and I wanted to show you that you do the single crochet back loop only, even on the chains, on each and every single chain. And for the next row, we're gonna do a chain, turn your work, and work 1 single crochet back loop only on all the stitches until you get all the way across. And finally, for the next row, we're gonna do 1 chain, turn your work, do 1 single crochet back loop only on all the stitches until you get all the way across. You just repeat the same thing. Okay, as you can see, we finished the first part, and after that, we're gonna make another part that looks identical as the first part. Remember, it has to have 4 holes, and yeah. Right here, I just wanted to inform you that on the edges of your piece, both pieces, you're gonna have to leave a strand of yarn because you're gonna need it to close up the headband at the end of the video. And here, we're gonna insert a hook to stick together the 2 pieces. Now we're gonna start to weave both of the pieces together to make a braid. And And how you do that is that you take the back part, the tip of the back part, and insert it in the first hole, and pull it out. And you keep on pulling. Then we're gonna take the tip of the back part again and put it in the second hole. And basically, you're gonna repeat the same step all over again in all 8 holes and make the whole headband braided, like a braid type thing. Now that we finally finished, when you get to the edge, you clip it together with a clothing pin. And now we may start putting them in order and making them look prettier instead of a whole big mess where there's bigger ones and smaller ones and medium ones. We want it to look as pretty as possible, right? Now that we've finally done everything, we want to close our headband. So, there's 2 layers. The one layer, we put it together first, the bottom layer. We sew it with the same 4mm crochet hook we used for the headband. We sew it together. We're gonna sew it using slip stitches. So what you see me doing right now are slip stitches. Yay, we finally finished the first part. So we make a knot and then cut the yarn off. Now we have to take the first part, the part at the top, and sew those together. We put them together. Take out a strand of yarn and do the slip stitches. But, however, keep in mind that the slip stitches have to be hidden inside because that's the front part of the headband and you don't want people to see the slip stitches at the back. So you have to try your best and make them invisible. Yay, we finished the headband. We completely finished it. It looks awesome. As you can see, the slip stitches are hidden inside the headband so no one will see. And I think you're gonna enjoy this headband. It's really simple and easy and very, very beautiful. Okay, we finally finished it. Those are the results. Make sure to like if you like this video and subscribe, and if you can share. I hope you enjoyed it. Also, don't forget to check out our store. It's called www.KarenValladaresCrochet.com. The yarns are very pretty. And I hope you enjoyed this video.